to refer to the state of being alive. Human life, animal life, plant life. Scientists study human life to understand evolution. The forest is full of diverse animal life. Sunlight is essential for plant life to grow. To indicate a person's existence or experiences. Daily life, personal life, social life. Technology has changed daily life significantly. He tries to keep his personal life private. She enjoys an active social life with friends. To describe a particular way of living. Simple life, luxurious life, hard life. He left the city to enjoy a simple life in the countryside. Celebrities often live a luxurious life. She has had a hard life, but she never gave up. To express duration or stages of existence. Early life, later life, throughout life. Early life experiences shape a person's character. In later life, people tend to reflect on their past. She remained passionate about art throughout her life. To indicate vitality or energy, full of life, bring to life, burst into life. The little boy is always full of life and energy. The director's vision brought the story to life. The city bursts into life at night. Common collocations with life. Life experience, life goals, new life, real life, way of life. Traveling gives you valuable life experience. She has big life goals she wants to achieve. After moving to another country, he started a new life. The movie is based on a real life story. Meditation is an important way of life for many people.